What if I told you your car could easily outlast your wildest road trips, pushing well beyond 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat? Let's break down exactly what you need to do, one habit at a time, to turn your car into a high-mileage legend. Let's start with oil changes, the single most important habit for engine longevity. Forget those long manufacturer intervals. If you truly want your engine to last, change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months and always use full synthetic oil. Synthetic oil offers far better protection against heat and sludge, especially if you're facing stop-and-go traffic or harsh weather. By keeping your oil fresh, you're ensuring your engine stays clean, lubricated, and ready for the long haul. Next up is your transmission fluid. Too many drivers ignore this until it's too late, but changing your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles or 90,000 if you drive a hybrid can make all the difference instead of a full flush, which can stir up debris in older, neglected transmissions. Simply drain and refill with the manufacturer's recommended fluid. This simple routine keeps your transmission shifting smoothly and can save you from one of the most expensive repairs out there. Coolant is another unsung hero in the quest for longevity. Over time, coolant loses its anti-corrosive and anti-freeze properties, allowing scale and rust to build up inside your engine. By flushing your coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles, you're protecting your engine from overheating, corrosion, and costly repairs like water pump or head gasket failures. It's a small investment that pays off big in peace of mind. The timing belt is one maintenance item you never want to overlook. If your timing belt snaps, especially in an interference engine, it can cause catastrophic engine damage. That's why it's crucial to replace your timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles or every 7 to 10 years, depending on your car's recommendations. It's not the cheapest service, but it's nothing compared to the cost of a new engine. Spark plugs might be small, but they play a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Worn spark plugs can cause misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. By replacing your spark plugs every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, you'll enjoy better performance, improved efficiency, and a more responsive drive, mile after mile. The fuel filter is your engine's first line of defense against contaminants. A clogged filter can strain your fuel pump and even leave you stranded. For older vehicles, replace it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, while newer models can go up to 100,000 miles. Keeping your fuel filter fresh ensures reliable starts and smooth acceleration no matter how far you travel. Brake fluid is often overlooked, but it's critical for your safety. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point and risking brake failure. Flushing your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years prevents corrosion in your brake lines and calipers and keeps your brakes responsive when you need them most. Don't forget about your differential and transfer case fluids, especially if you tow or venture off-road. These fluids break down under stress, so changing them every 30,000 to 50,000 miles protects your drivetrain from premature wear and keeps your vehicle ready for any adventure. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, is essential for accurate fuel delivery. When it gets dirty, you'll notice poor fuel economy, rough running, or even stalling. Cleaning your MAF sensor every year or two is a quick and easy way to keep your engine breathing easy and performing at its best. The PCV valve may be small, but it has a big job in managing your engine's ventilation. A stuck PCV valve can cause oil leaks, sludge buildup, and excessive oil consumption. Replacing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles is cheap insurance against bigger problems down the road. Tire alignment is another habit that pays off in both safety and savings. Misalignment causes uneven tire wear, poor handling, and reduced fuel economy. Get your alignment checked every 15,000 miles, or whenever you notice your steering pulling or your tires wearing unevenly. It's a quick fix that keeps your ride smooth and your tires lasting longer. One of the simplest habits for engine longevity is to avoid cold revving. When you start your car, especially in cold weather or if you have a turbocharged engine, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving gently. This allows the oil to circulate and protect engine parts, reducing wear and extending your engine's life. If you live in a snowy or coastal area, washing your car's undercarriage every season, or even monthly, can save you from the silent killer of rust. Salt and grime can eat away at your chassis and brake lines, so keeping things clean underneath is just as important as what's under the hood. Finally, keep a detailed maintenance log. Record every service, date, and mileage. This simple habit helps you spot issues early, increases your car's resale value, and gives you peace of mind that nothing's been overlooked. By sticking to these habits, you're not just maintaining a car, you're building a legend that can go the distance. Which tip surprised you the most? Have you ever owned a car that broke the 300,000-mile barrier? Share your stories in the comments, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert car advice and comparisons. Unlocking the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.